Good morning, Racks. Today is Thursday, May 14th, which, as you are hearing, makes today Chicken Dance Day. It also makes it National Buttermilk Biscuit Day. Hey, three big things, Counselors Connect. Take a minute for what really matters, like this chicken dance song. But that's our little thing to keep you and your mind right. School Tool is not going to have your grades updated. Remember that even in Google Classroom, this might not be the case. So if you're looking for where your grades are, teachers might have that information leaked out to you. You can reach out to your teacher. I know I'll give you the response. But your grades aren't necessarily in that order. You're going to meet one of the four categories: exceeding expectations, meeting expectations, resubmit, or no work submitted. And as long as you're falling into one of those first two, you're doing okay. And like I said yesterday, Racks yearbooks are available to order. See the link that Dolan sent you a few days ago. Happy birthday goes out to Kayla Rain Eyelashley. Happy birthday to you. We got all these seniors turning 18 this week. Awesome deal. All right, that's all I've got for today. Have a great Chicken Day